Confirm wiring and key handoff plans before the closing so the move happens without last-minute delays. Start by verifying the exact wiring instructions with your lender and title company at least 3 business days before closing to avoid fraud and delays. Use a phone call to a trusted contact at the title company to confirm routing and account details rather than relying solely on email, and request a written receipt of any funds sent. Prepare a checklist of physical items you need at handoff, including front door keys, garage door openers, mailbox keys, gate codes, and any alarm system codes or user manuals, so nothing is missed when you take possession. Arrange a brief window after funds clear where the seller remains reachable by phone for quick follow-up about manuals, appliance quirks, and utility transfer notes. Bring a photo identification and your closing confirmation to present at the title company so staff can release keys without confusion. If you are using movers, coordinate their arrival for after the official keys handoff time to prevent being denied access on moving day. Keep a charged phone and a power bank handy so you can receive last-minute messages from the seller or closing agent during transit. 3 common problems are wiring errors, incomplete handoff of system access, and missing contact continuity. Wiring errors happen when account numbers or routing details are wrong or when fraudsters intercept communications. Call the title company to confirm details and never click links to change wiring on the day of transfer. Incomplete system access occurs when alarm codes, gate codes, or appliance manuals are not provided. Request these items at signing and, if the seller cannot attend, insist they leave them with the closing agent or upload them to you immediately after closing. Missing contacts cause delays when follow-up questions arise. Exchange direct phone numbers and set expectations for a fixed time period when the seller will respond to basic questions about the house after the move. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like move day coordination, letting us share local options and community advice. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask practical questions and swap real-world tips about closing day logistics and handoff checklists.